First, the top story. Chief Minister Biren inaugurates Wangkay Eye Hospital at Wangkay Andro Parking in Pal East today. Minister L. Susindro hails a role played by artists in society on occasion of state-level Manipur modern song competition held at GM Hall. Churachandpur police arrest drug peddler along with approximately half a kilogram of brown sugar from M. Songal village in Churachandpur. Konyak Union slams Center for not sanctioning prosecutions of army personnel guilty of killing 13 civilians at Oting in Mon District, Nagaland last year. Hello, good evening. You're watching PONYTV English News. I'm CHRISTINA LEIVON, and now the news in details. Chief Minister Biren inaugurated the Wangkay Eye Hospital at Wangkay Andro Parking in Pal East today. The inauguration of Wangkay Eye Hospital was attended by Speaker of Manipur Assembly T.H. Satyabrata, Health and Family Welfare Minister Dr. Sapam Ranjan, Wangkay SC MLA T.H. Arun Kumar, founder of Sri Sankardeva, Natlarlaya, Guwahati, Dr. Harsa Bhattacharjee, and Wangkay Eye Hospital's Director Dr. Sarubam Bobby. Addressing the function, Chief Minister Biren stated that health is everything. He stressed that the Chief Minister's Health for All was implemented and launched so that regular health checkup could be taken to the people at their homes. He elaborated that the benefit of the schemes is that now we can identify ailments at an early stage before it becomes chronic. The Chief Minister further said the improvement of healthcare does not mean improving only hospital, but strengthening manpower and improving infrastructures are also part of improving healthcare.
Hacang pabasya maruwi bunina koina aduna koina government health for all and localities. Akoi si hospital na pukalak pase ana bodugi stage ya thaka na pukal lebe koi chana bi advance hoina health checking to ko koi chana de akoi ne sir ne pamung da tum bi ba hospital pukatta bakangu ne ko aduna koina health for all na ma non so gare yum da sanga disease tarada ama hacang gare tarama to show ngarang lagi SIBS te so gare ma ha and if we go fundamental basic importance quite the priority the prevention is better than cure.
The Artist Training Cum Educational Research Center in Pal organized a state-level Manipur Modern Song Competition 2022 today at GM Hall. The event was attended by CAF and PD Minister Leisangthem Susindro, ATREC President Sonota Saubam, and former announcer AIR Infal KK Wahingbam. Addressing at the 9th Manipur Modern Song Competition 2022, CAF and PD Minister L. Susindro said that being a good singer is difficult if the musician does not want them to become one. Comparing artist's journey to the ocean, he claimed that an artist should help out fellow artists. To make new singers, renowned musicians require full dedications and support team. He stated that he will encourage upcoming singers since he loves music.
Talent pun ada semua pada isi apa sahaja so, bagi platform TV terjadi, bagi isi itu sahaja kata, maya anda tahan terjadi, bagi karena betul game lain itu, na para orang kata, aku ini artis sih, ada nuksihan ba, ada ada luna tomi ba, masih tahu ke hari ini, kalau sih dah, aku ini musician sih saja, karena ada, moi sacrifice of terkala. Musician ini tidak sacrifice of drama. Ada beberapa kalaਕਾਰ ini tidak mutopi drama. Ada itu hanya gilai itu saya mau mitra awal itu. Ada itu sebenarnya tidak ada. Ada mau mitra awal itu musuh tahu itu kalaਕਾਰ semua.
According to ATREC Secretary Kundongwam Okendro, in order to make the songs popular, singers, lyricists, and music directors must collaborate and encourage one another. He claimed that ATREC holds a state-level patriotic song and contemporary song competition each year to promote the modern song movement in the region. On November 14, a competition for prayer songs had about 47 vocalists, while today's competition for modern songs features 20 singers, one of which was from Assam. The lyrics to every song were written by the 17 members of Aturek. Maibam Gita got the Best Lyricist Award 2022.
December Gitang Tramrida, Jemohol Mokta Punna partisan Nifuga Taret na Saruyadon Shay Sanganava, Han Bona Lasuni Say the Pantui, Adu Lasuni Say Matung Nangasi, Panen Raunana, Gogi Matami Say, no one say the Impamorga, Say Sangano, Nasi Pantoni, Nasi de Aurisi, Manipur, Ashamnagi Ama Yaurga, participant Kunna, Topani Liski, Manungsana, Nasigi, Atu Ensi Sangam Nadin.
A team of Churachandpur police led by Inspector and Thangjamwant OC and SIB Jairemthang, including personnel of women police, arrested a person from M. Songal village in Churachandpur district along with 416 grams of brown sugar. On receipt of reliable info that some drug peddlers are about to transact drugs in M. Songal area, the team rushed to the village and conducted surveillance and inquiries in the area and subsequently arrested Somkugin Misao, age 44, son of Hengam of Tuidam village, Churachandpur. The drugs were found hidden in a black bag in the toilet of the residence. The bag found to contain 33 soap cases with suspected brown sugar. On preliminary interrogation, Samkugin Misao stated that he had procured the suspected brown sugar from one person from Myanmar at rupees 7,000 per soap case and hide it in the toilet of L. Thangminlal Khongsai. A case under NDNPS Act has been registered for investigation. The 6th Singzu Festival will take place at the Iburo Marzing Polo Complex in Hengang from this year, December 28 through January 8, 2023. The announcement was made by Singju Festival Committee's Chairman P. Bimola in a press meet held at Manipur Press Club. She states since the time of our ancestors, Singju has been used in all rituals and various medicinal plants and vegetables have been put in preparing it. The festival has been held in order to preserve these food items since 2016. The Miss Singzu contest, the Singzu Cycle Rally, tree planting, musical night, Sumang Kumhei, blood donation, legal awareness, a free health camp, a book exhibition, as well as many local sporting, event and cultural activities will also be a part of this festival. She pleaded with general public not to stay any banned blockades during the Singju Festival.
Aikoi Singju Yokat Palup Sayon Festival asi Laibak Miam da Nulukna Thamjaba Wafam Iram Dam Kanglaipak asi Ariba Masana Sing Amadi Na Sing Yokat Pa Indigenous Singju Amadi Atai Sinja Makhan Sing Yokat Pa Horok Liba Artist Sing Yokat Pa Helum and the Handicraft Pothok Sing Yokat Pa Culture Amadi Durisingi Pukning Sing Shinana Bagi Wakhalwanda Singju Festival 2020 Festival Manungda Kanagumba Lanai Mioi Natragana Loop Amatana Ban Blocket Yauna Hiram Amatadagi Ayat Apan Bibi Raktanabasu Haizari.
Pango Students Organization PSO President Arid Bogimayung criticized the state government for failing to comply with the demand to terminate teachers from government school who lack ethics and are unaware of their obligations. Speaking to the media in a press meet held at PSO office in Hatta, he further stated that a volunteer team of PSO inspected Serao High School and was discovered to be held in extremely poor condition. Despite the state government have sanctioned the required funds, the school principal MD Ajad Khan has only offered midday meal only 3 times a year, and all the 10 computers for the students' usage was also found missing. He said it is regrettable that the school's principal is unable to respond to the question in a satisfactory manner. If the concerned authorities do not respond right away, there will be a delay in the delivery of high-quality education. Therefore, the state government should not only terminate those teachers from the school who lack ethics and are unaware of their obligations, but should also not grant them a teaching license.
ꯃꯐꯝ ꯀꯌꯥꯗ ꯆꯠꯇꯨꯅ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯑꯋꯥꯠ ꯑꯄꯥ ꯌꯦꯡꯁꯤꯟꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯁꯣꯔꯥ ꯍꯥꯏ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜꯗ ꯆꯠꯂꯨꯕꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯇꯤꯛ ꯐꯠꯇꯕ ꯐꯤꯕꯝꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯃꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜ ꯐꯒꯠꯍꯟꯁꯤ ꯃꯤꯁꯟꯗꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯎꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜꯅꯤ ꯇꯧꯕꯇꯕꯨ ꯂꯨꯔꯤꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔꯅ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯁꯦꯝꯃꯤꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯤꯝ ꯃꯤꯗ ꯗꯦ ꯃꯤꯜ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯍꯟꯗꯛꯀꯤ ꯆꯍꯤꯁꯤ ꯑꯃꯗ ꯑꯍꯨꯝꯂꯛ ꯄꯤꯍꯟꯕꯤꯖꯗꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯃꯦ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯦꯟꯇꯦꯅꯦꯟꯁꯀꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯊꯥꯊꯔꯛꯈꯤꯕ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔꯅ ꯁꯦꯟꯊꯪꯁꯤꯡꯁꯨ ꯑꯃꯠꯇ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯐꯝ ꯈꯪꯗꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯃꯦ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯑꯣꯖꯥꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯍꯦꯗꯃꯥꯁꯇꯔ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯂꯨꯠ ꯇꯧꯕꯁꯤ ꯀꯥꯔꯗ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯉꯁꯤꯕꯨꯗ ꯈꯨꯠ ꯊꯤꯟꯗꯨꯅ ꯇꯥꯛꯆꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯃꯇꯤꯛ ꯆꯥꯕ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯟ ꯑꯃꯠꯇ ꯂꯧꯗꯦ ꯃꯁꯤꯅ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯣꯖꯥꯁꯤꯡ ꯃꯁꯤꯡ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯂꯝꯗꯝ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯊꯣꯛꯄ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯄꯤꯑꯦꯁꯨꯅ ꯈꯟꯖꯩ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯣꯖꯥ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯏꯊꯤꯛꯁ ꯌꯥꯎꯗ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯍꯦꯗꯃꯥꯁꯇꯔ ꯑꯦꯝꯗꯤ ꯑꯖꯥꯗ ꯈꯥꯟ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯑꯊꯨꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯄꯥꯜꯂꯤꯕ ꯂꯩꯉꯥꯛ ꯑꯁꯤꯅ ꯃꯍꯥꯛ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯁꯁꯄꯦꯟ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯇꯔꯦꯠꯄ ꯇꯧꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯃꯍꯥꯛ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯑꯣꯖꯥ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯌꯥꯕ ꯄꯤꯕꯤꯒꯅꯨ ꯑꯣꯖꯥ ꯑꯣꯏꯍꯟꯕꯤꯒꯅꯨ ꯂꯝꯗꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯣꯖꯥꯁꯤꯡ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯛꯇꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯟ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯂꯧꯈꯠꯄꯤꯌꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯉꯥꯛ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯄꯤꯑꯦꯁꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩꯗꯒꯤ ꯊꯝꯖꯔꯤ
DFO of Tobal Forest Division TH Lokendro conducted a drive against illegal trapping and poaching of birds at Ikop Lake under Tobal Range and also checked everyone leaving the lake if they have caught any bird today. Tobal Forest Range Deputy Ranger MD Aslam led the drive along with staff of Tobal Range Beat Office, Mayay Keitel Beat Office, Yairpo Beat Office and Hairo Beat Office. According to Tobal Range Deputy Ranger MD Aslam, today's drive was conducted as a part of the ongoing campaign against the unlawful trapping and with an aim of protecting of migratory birds. He further said earlier numbers of birds trapped were seized from this place while conducting drive, but now no traps can be seen because of which many birds and other species may be seen living freely. The absence of bird traps in the area of the presence of wild vegetations demonstrate the support of the public, but there are still some places where people are use gun and poison for catching birds, which should be stopped immediately.
ꯂꯝꯕꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯏꯗ ꯐꯥꯝꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯎꯆꯦꯛ ꯃꯔꯥꯡ ꯀꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯥꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯖꯔꯤ ꯉꯥꯅꯨ ꯁꯨꯔꯤꯠ ꯉꯥꯅꯨ ꯕ꯭ꯔꯦꯟ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯎꯆꯦꯛꯁꯤ ꯃꯔꯥꯡ ꯀꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯝꯕꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯏꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯎꯏ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯎꯆꯦꯛꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤꯅ ꯇꯥꯛꯄꯗꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯁꯤꯅ ꯇꯥꯛꯄꯗꯤ ꯂꯥꯡ ꯊꯥꯛꯄ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯩꯇ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯀꯣꯏꯕꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯐꯣꯔꯦꯁꯠ ꯗꯤꯄꯥꯔꯠꯃꯦꯟꯇ ꯁꯄꯣꯔꯠ ꯇꯧꯗꯨꯅ ꯎꯆꯦꯛ ꯐꯥꯕꯒꯤ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯇꯣꯛꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯂꯧꯏ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯐꯣꯔꯦꯁꯠ ꯗꯤꯄꯥꯔꯠꯃꯦꯟꯇꯁꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯤꯡꯉꯥꯏ ꯂꯩꯇꯅ ꯊꯥꯒꯠꯆꯔꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯈꯔꯗ ꯅꯣꯡꯃꯩ ꯄꯥꯏꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯄꯣꯏꯖꯟ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯗꯨꯅ ꯎꯆꯦꯛ ꯐꯥꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯥꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯗꯤꯄꯥꯔꯠꯃꯦꯟꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩꯗꯒꯤ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯅ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯔꯕꯗꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯗꯨ वाइल्ड लाइफ प्रोटेक्शन एक्ट 1972 की लॉ की मतुंग इन्ना मोय दंडी फंगनी
Nungairaba Pausel Sky Hospital and Research Center Private Limited ta Malim Sinba Thunga sak khangnaraba cardiologist British Clinical Excellence Award phanglaba Dr. Shyam Kishore Lairiking Bamgi Heart ki OPD Ningthokabadagi Thangja phawba yengzari matamna ayuk ki pung 9 dagi nungthil gi pung 1 phawbani nongmagi akaknaba patient masing 10 phawba khak yengzari sor honba waba thabak naba mihul chang naidana chongba kok ngauba oningba na chingba symptoms leiraba miyoi singna OPD booking gidamak phone number 8415934236 natraga 7005820192 da call tawbirau aduga heart attack amasung collapse tawraba patient singi damak 24 hours ki emergency service thamjari
Welcome after the break. Loktak Battalion of Assam Rifles under the aegis of Headquarter Aigar South distributed a tablet in collaboration with Smile Foundation at Kumbi, Bisnupur district today. An underprivileged student based on its academic performance was selected and presented the tablet at Kumbi by the Assam Rifles and Smile Foundation in a ceremony wherein the parents of the student were also present. The tablet was preloaded with Baiju's learning materials to facilitate the students to broaden their horizon and help perform excellently in academics. Meanwhile, Tengnopal Battalion of Assam Rifle under the aegis of Headquarter Aigar South distributed sports equipment to village Saibol under military civil action project in a bid to inculcate a love for sports and nurture the local talent along with promoting the growth and development at grassroots. Tamenglong Battalion, under the aegis of 22 Sector Assam Rifles, Aigar East, organized a 2 Run for Run fund and sports activities at COB, Dikwiram, on 3rd and 4th December 2022 for the children aged 4 to 14 years. The event was organized to foster greater friendship and bond between the Assam Rifles and the community. The aim was to promote physical, mental, and psychological well-being. A total of 85 children from 3 different schools of Dikwiram and Katang, including 40 girls, competed to prove their mettle in different sports events and fun activities. On the second day, a football match between Don Bosco High School and Dikwiram Government School was organized. It was followed by the prize distribution. The battalion felicitated the winners and runners-up of all the events in both boys and girls category. The second day event concluded with a closing ceremony prayer. Tamenglong Battalion, under the aegis of 22 Sector Inspector General Assam Rifles East, organized one-day free medical camp on National Highway 37 at Khongsang village of Nole district today. The battalion medical staff, along with medical staff from District Hospital Tamenglong, carrying essential medicines, treated elders, needy and underprivileged locals from nearby villages. The beneficiaries were treated for various ailments and given medicines free of cost. The team consisted of total 4 doctors, including 2 doctors from District Hospital Tamenglong. The locals welcomed and appreciated the initiative of the battalion in taking medical check-up and free medicines to their doorstep. Commandant 44 Assam Rifles thanked doctors from District Hospital for being part of the initiative of the battalion and assure all possible help to the locals, asserting the unit's unwavering commitment towards ensuring the well-being of people. During the camp, approximately 185 civilians, including 42 women and 25 children, were attended by the doctors, and free generic medicines were distributed to the beneficiaries. Till now, this year, battalion has organized 56 health and wellness camps in Tamenglong and Nole district, reaching out to masses in the far-flung villages where the locals are suffering due to lack of better medical facilities. The Konyak Union has linked the Center for not sanctioning the prosecutions of the army personnel guilty of killing 13 civilians at Oting in Nagaland, Mon district. Last year on 4 December, the Indian Army commandos gunned down 6 coal miners near Oting village after mistaking them for the members of an insurgent group. 6 others from the same village and another persons from Upper Tiru village were killed on the spot when the villagers retaliated following the incident. The Special Investigation Team SIT, constituted by the Nagaland government, had named 30 security forces personnel in its charge sheet on the killing of 13 civilians in the botched military operation. The SIT finding said that the security forces did not follow standard operation procedures and rules of engagement while resorting to indiscriminate and disproportionate firing, leading to the killing of civilians in a counter-insurgency abuse that went horrifically wrong. On the first anniversary of Oting killing, the family members of the victims lamented that justice was not delivered to the families of the victims even after the SIT filed the charge sheet naming 30 army personnel, including a major. The All Ye See Students Union and SHU took out a huge rally in Itanagar in support of various demands in connection with the APPSC pepper leak scam in Arunachal Pradesh. The rally, which started from Dera Natung Government College ground up to the Indira Gandhi Park, saw massive participations of protesters in youths, members of several community-based organizations, students' union, various political parties, and parents of the aspirants. Holding banners and placards, the protesters chanted slogans against the Arunachal Pradesh government for allegedly not taking action against culprits involved in the scheme. The ANSHU demanded the immediate arrest of the APPSC chairman, secretary, members, and all the officials of the commissions, and ED and court monitor brought into the case, and immediate termination of all the state government officials involved in the job scam. ANSHU also insisted that no examinations should be conducted till the completion of the investigation process, and all APPSC examinations to be endorsed to the Union Public Service Commission. The Assam Rifles in Mizoram detained 6 persons, including four Myanmar nationals, and seized a huge quantity of Myanmar-bound explosive and foreign currency in 2 separate raids yesterday. Acting on reliable information, as Assam Rifles uncovered a sizable stash of explosive and weapons-related supplies close to Block Tuipang in bordering Sehab district. They were intercepted when the explosive weapons and warlike stores were carrying on 3 Chinese Cambobites, which tried to avoid the mobile vehicle checkpost Tuipang. The seized explosive warlike stores included 22.42 kg gunpowder, 60 rounds of .22 ammunitions, 3 boxes of 1.77 pellets, 122 rifles, and various other tactical stores, including tactical vest, tactical gloves, combat uniform, and boots. On the other hand, in a separate raid at Chowling in Block Tuipang of the same Sehab district, Assam Rifles intercepted a vehicle and recovered a huge amount of Myanmar and Indian currency and arrested 2 persons. The seized currency include Myanmarese currency worth 73.5 lakh kyat and Indian currency worth rupees 2.5 lakhs. Now let's look to the headlines once again. Chief Minister N. Biren inaugurates Wangkei Eye Hospital at Wangkei Andro Parking in Far East today. Minister El Susindro Health role played by artists in society on occasion of state-level Manipur modern song competition held at GM Hall. Churichandpur police arrest drug peddlers along with approximately half a kilogram of brown sugar from M. Songal village in Churichandpur. Konyak Union slams Center for not sanctioning prosecutions of army personnel guilty of killing 13 civilians at Oting in Mon District, Nagaland last year. That's the end of today's bulletin. Thank you for watching.